my buddy went four-wheeling and sent me this pick. Don't be that guy. What you need, safe jack. We're gonna open this together for the first time, but essentially you need a good jack when you're off-road, four-wheeling, what have you, or even just around the house. Although high lift jacks have a certain place in the off-road field, I don't like them that much. They're not safe, it's hard to get stability, and I like something simpler. Check this out. All of this comes with the Sargent kit. You got extensions, axle lifts, single lift. All this stuff is machined and manufactured in the United States. So it's 100% quality. All of it fits inside the box in the ammo can, which is watertight and sealed. So it's gonna go perfect on my roof rack for safekeeping. Each one of these pieces comes with its own separate of instructions on how to use and ensure safety when using this application. I'll show you those pamphlets along with the instructions. A couple other things. If you haven't seen this company, check them out online. They've got all different types of jacks and accessories. You can get base plates for these to make it more stable on uneven grounds. You can get a smaller size kit, a bigger size kit. You can buy extensions, and all these are interchangeable regardless of what kit you get. So if you buy the private kit and decide that you need some of the components out of the Sargent, you can buy these things individually and they will work with your existing jack and setup. So definitely check these guys out. I'll post a link in the comments, and let me show you the rest of the paperwork that comes with all this stuff. All right, first and foremost, you get a sign-off checklist to make sure you got all the parts that you needed that were supposed to come with your kit. Again, this is a 37M Sargent off-road kit. Again, check out the other styles that they have. You got your bottle jack instruction manual. Pretty simple. Bottle jacks are an amazing jack setup. Here's some of their products that they have, and again, some of the other kits that you can get. You can get them in the bag if you want, but I like the ammo can for durability and weatherproofing conditions. Shows you how you can put the extension screw. It's the safety collar where you can add all the extensions onto your jack. Like I said, this tells you how to use the extension handle that comes with the jack. This is your instructions for the, this is for the axle, if you want to hook it directly to the axle. Notice the shape of it. It will handle both square and round. Instructions for your extensions. And instructions for your jack pad. And first and foremost, or most important, I should say, who doesn't like stickers? So I'm gonna get this stuff put back in the box and show you where she's gonna ride. Package back up, closed, watertight, good to go. And it's found its forever home on top of the roof rack. Just gonna figure out where I'm gonna actually sit it and then strap it down, but it's gonna stay with me. And again, it's in a watertight metal ammo can. No issues with weathering, stuff getting damaged or anything. Good to go. And of course, went with the green sticker because it matches the Jeep. Check them out. Links in the comments.